getting 60 plus score for the CIB targeting November and December batch 2022. So without wasting the time, let's start. Okay. Before moving ahead, I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you'll be getting all the study materials, current affair, job alert, daily quizzes. You'll get the live classes over there, notes, test, everything. Okay, so download it immediately. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda YouTube channel, Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. This 24/7 is important. Okay, so in this, you will be getting all the updates for CIB, JIB, and various banking exams. We are having a special offer on Guru Purab special. So avail this 80% off. Huge 80% means now or never offer it is. Okay, use the code Y432. More on this later. Move on. Yeah, let's start with the series. See here, I'll be fast in this series. Why? Because we have many questions to cover. Because many few days are remaining for your ABM exam, isn't it? So right now I'm covering BFM, then I'll be starting ABM so that it is fresh in your mind when you go for the exam. Okay, let's start. Maintaining a foreign currency account is helpful to avoid transaction cost, avoid exchange risk, avoid both transaction cost and exchange risk, avoid exchange risk and domestic currency depreciation. What is the answer? Fast. A, B, C, D. Type fast in the comment section, everyone. Yes, 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 yes. Type fast. Yeah. Is it B? Okay, many of you might be thinking confused between C and D. Okay, so I'll explain you. D is not the answer. Why D is not the answer? Because avoid exchange risk and domestic currency depreciation. If, remember, keep it very simple. If domestic currency depreciates and India is an exporting country, so if domestic currency depreciates, rupee depreciates, so it is good for the exporter. He won't be means harmed by that. He will be in a better position if the domestic currency depreciates. So the correct answer is right. C it is. Okay. C is the correct answer. Next one. That's why I'm saying we'll be fast over here. Arbitrage transaction is indicated by arbitrage means what is arbitrage? Okay, arbitrage means buying. See this, it's given over here. Buying in one market and selling in another. Number one. Quick transaction. Number two. Risk free. Number three. All of the above. So what should be the answer? A, B, C or D, right? All of these, or here A is correct definitely. What about B and C? Many of us don't know about B and C. Okay, the point is the correct answer is D, because what is arbitrage? Arbitrage is correct, buying in one market and selling in another, but the important part is it is too fast and it is risk free. Because it is fast, it is risk free. See here, it's simple. I'll give you a simple example. NSE, we are having two stock exchanges in India, NSE and BSE, right? Okay. Now let's say in NSE, Reliance is trading at, let's say Reliance, okay? Reliance is trading at, let's say 2500, okay? 500. And at BSE, it is trading at 2503. Now this difference is there in these two exchanges. It's hardly for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, okay? So what happens if I am an arbitrage person? What will I do? I'll buy in NSE and sell in BSE immediately. Within what? 3 seconds is the gap I'm having. So I'll do it within 1 second. One button here, one button there, and I'll earn this 3 rupees. If I'm doing it for 1 share, I won't be earning anything. But if I'm doing it for 1 lakh share, so I'll be earning 3 lakhs. Okay, that's the main part. Okay, move on. So D is the answer. Okay. Acronym for SWIFT is, now this is simple one. SWIFT means what? So safety width for financial transactions. Fast. Society for Worldwide International Financial Telecommunications. Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Society SWIFT Worldwide Information for Financial Transactions. Okay. So I'll just directly give you some hints. B and C is the correct. Either B or C is the correct answer. Forget A and D. Okay. So what is between B and C now? Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications or International Financial Telecommunications. Fast. It is SWIFT. C, Interbank. Okay. This SWIFT arrangement is there only for banks. Okay. So that's why Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Move on. Indirect rate of in foreign exchange means what is indirect rate? Okay, I'll just give you an example. How is rupee quoted? Rupee is what? $1 2 rupees, that like that we quote, right? So this is direct rate. When other currency is in the numerator and our currency is in the denominator, it's direct. So indirect means what? GBP to USD, GBP to dollar, In London, always GBP is quoted in the numerator and dollar is in the denominator. So this is indirect. When the local currency, now this I am talking about England, okay? When the local currency is in the numerator or stable and the foreign currency is fluctuating, it's called as indirect. So the rate quoted with units of home currency kept fixed. Here we want indirect, okay? Home currency kept fixed. Home currency is kept fixed. Is this the case? G, right? The rate quoted in with units of foreign currency kept fixed. This is this the one? The rate quoted in terms of third currency. C is out. Okay, so A or B, which is the answer? Type fast in the comment section. A or B, A or B, A or B, A or B. Right now, see this over here only you can see the answer is A. Correct? A. Move on. Sri Lanka is facing continuous deficit in balance of payments. In foreign exchange market, rupee is expected to. What is this? Sri Lanka is facing this continuous deficit. Okay, so depreciate, appreciate, then show no specific tendency, depreciate against currencies of countries with positive balance of payment, or appreciate. So what should be the answer? Sri Lanka is facing continuous deficit in balance of payments. So what about the India? Is Sri Lanka a major country in this world, so that it might affect India also? Okay, India, Sri Lanka has no effect on India as such. Okay, so in the foreign exchange market, rupee is expected to. Now what is rupee? Here, of course, rupee will have its own movement. Okay, but that is not related to Sri Lanka. So shows no specific tendency. This is the correct answer, because Sri Lanka has no effect on this Indian rupee. Okay, so that's why the effect of speculation on exchange rate is, okay, the effect of speculation on exchange rate is here. Speculation always here. There are three parties always in the exchange market. Okay, three factors in any exchange market. One is the exchange market. First is the speculation. Second is the interest rates. Okay, and third more specific is the tendency of the middleman. Okay, so what do they say about it? So speculation means what? It causes violent fluctuations in the exchange rate. It aggravates the market trends. Either or both A and B, neither A or B. What is the answer? A, B or C? Fast, fast, fast. A, B or C, or okay, I'll give you one. C or D. That is important one. Type fast in the comment section. C or D. Is it C or D? Violent fluctuations or aggravates the market trends, or both? So the answer is correct, C. Okay. The demand for domestic currency in foreign exchange market is indicated by the following transactions in the balance of payment. So demand for foreign domestic currency. See here, demand for domestic currency means why will the domestic currency in demand in foreign exchange market by the following transactions in balance of payment. See here, balance of payment is different. There are two things. Okay, balance of trade and balance of payment. So balance of payment is related to what? It is related to other than the trade transactions. So export of goods and services, import of goods and services, export of goods and services and capital inflows, import of goods and services and capital outflows. So the correct answer is here. Obviously we are talking about balance of payment. Okay, so balance of payment won't be including, means it will be including, but not only related to goods and services. So A and B are out. It's either C or D. So it will be definitely export is more important. C will be the correct answer, right? Many of you have typed. What do you feel? I have written it C. What should be the correct answer? C only or D? It is C. Why? Because export of goods and services and capital inflows. Here, I'll explain you one important part. Balance of trade. Two things you always remember. Okay, I'll write it over here. It's very clear. Finance is simple. BOT and BOP. Okay. So BOT means what? Export. Whatever export we do. Okay. And import. Okay. So these are all included in BOT. Now what is the difference? The difference of this net. The net will be transferred to BOP. Okay. It will be transferred to BOP. So this net will come over here plus your other capital inflows, means NRI sending money, okay, or we sending money outside, that all that liberalized scheme, that 2,50,000 USD, everything will be under this BOP. So BOP includes this net and other things. Okay, so that's why C is the main answer. The spot transaction in foreign exchange market involves the, what is spot? There are 3-4 we had studied it earlier, isn't it? Now, what is it? Cash ready, Tom, spot, and forward. So exchange of export and import at a specified future date. Specified future date. Is it that? Okay, I want the answer from your side now. Exchange of bank deposits at a specified future date. Immediate, within 2 days. Exchange of exports and imports. Immediate, within 2 days, exchange of bank deposits. See this, bank deposits means we'll write it over here settlement, because many of the banks call this as bank deposits. I'll call this settlements. Okay, exchange of settlements, that is the correct thing in Indian perspective. So what is the answer? Spot is what? Exchange of, is it okay? Read everyone. Exchange of export and import in specified future. Do you exchange export and import over here? Exchange of bank deposits, or you can call this settlement only. Settlement. Okay, so settlement in specified future date. Is it that? Immediate exchange of export and import. So in this spot transaction, do you exchange export or import? No. So what is the answer? A or B, C or D? It is immediate, within 2 days exchange of settlements, isn't it? What do we do in spot? We exchange the settlements, isn't it? Foreign currency is given and rupee is taken in after 2 days in spot, right? So if the word of specified future date comes for forward, this is a forward one, isn't it? Forward, but that is also not true for A. A is not export and import. Forward is for this B. See, this is forward. Okay. So exchange of settlement. Next one. Forward exchange rates means, see here, forward exchange rates involve immediate exchange of bank deposits, involve the exchange of bank deposit at some specified future date, involves immediate exchange of export and import, none of the above. See here, bank deposits, some of the foreign banks call these as bank deposits. In India, we call them as settlements. Okay, settlements means exchange of this dollar and rupees. Okay, so this is what is called as settlements. Okay, so what is the foreign exchange rate over here? A, B, C or D? Type fast in the comment section. Okay, many of you have not liked. I am seeing this. The views and likes are varying. Everyone, the one who is watching A, should like this video so that it spreads immediately. Okay, so do it fast, like the video fast, share it on your WhatsApp groups, Facebook, social media, wherever it's possible. Okay, so what is the answer now? A, B, C or D? Fast one. Which one? Forward, forward, forward at some specified future, right? B, settlement, that is forward, isn't it? See here, cash ready, Tom, spot and forward. These are the 4 things only. Cash ready means same day, Tom means next day, spot means after 2, and forward means in future date, isn't it? When the value of British pound changes from 150 to 1.25, the pound is dash and the dollar has dash. What is happening in this? GBP to USD, what is happening? See this. GBP, see here, always remember, whenever you talk of GBP, it is a indirect quote. Okay, so GBP to USD, GBP was earlier 1.5, 1.5 over here is to 1. Now it is 1.225 is to 1, isn't it? That is the question. 1.5 to 1.25. So what has happened to GBP? 1.5 to 1.25. So GBP has depreciated or appreciated? A, B, C or D? What do you think? What do you see? See this, depreciated. And USD has what happens here? When one currency depreciates, the other currency will appreciate. Always remember this. When one currency depreciates, other currency appreciates. Always. This is a basic rule of any forex transaction. Okay. So what is the answer over here? Definitely by now you might have guessed A and C is out. So only B and D. What is the answer? Depreciated, appreciated, depreciated, depreciated. So what is the answer? Right. Fast, fast, fast. Comment section. Fast, fast, fast. It is correct. B, depreciated, right? Depreciated GBP, appreciated USD. Okay. Okay. So these were the questions for your series. Remember, go for this off discount going on presently 80% off. If you are having the app, you will get better discounts. You will get 1% extra. Okay. So go for it immediately. Okay. I'll show you how to go for this Adda 24/7 this discount offers. Okay. Let's go live to Adda 24/7. Okay, let me show you. See here, go to Adda 24/7 live. Let me show you over here. Adda 24/7. See here, you are over here now. Yeah. In the go to the site. There you will see JAIIB and CAIIB. Click on the JAIIB, CAIIB. Okay. You'll go to this. JAIIB CAIIB bilingual, CAIIB November December bilingual, JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. You can click on any of these. Okay. Even Mahapack gives you the better deal. I'll show you about Mahapack only. You see this Mahapack. Click on this. You'll get, see this, JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack, JAIIB Mahapack, CAIIB Mahapack. We are in CAIIB, so click for CAIIB only. Click on CAIIB Mahapack. You'll see the fees as 32,999. Very huge, you might be saying. Okay, wait. I'll tell you about the fees. Okay. Live classes for more than 500 plus hours, 4 batches of ABM, 4 batches BFM, 3 batches. You go on reading, you'll get all the details. Here, it's too fast for me. Take your time at ease. Okay. Go to Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB CAIIB, click on Mahapack. You'll see all these details over here. Now I'll talk about the fees because money is very important, isn't it? So let's talk about the fees. 32,999. Click on view offers. What is the code I told you? Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. Now 32,999 has reduced to 6599. 32,999 reduced to 6599. 6599 means it is so less, 80% off. And 80% off, importantly over here, when you are getting 80% off, it means what? Almost 1/5 amount you are paying. And if you are having this app, you will be getting 1% extra due to coins. Okay. So 81% you will be getting in all. So go for it immediately. Okay. Now why am I stressing on going immediately for this? Because see here, when the new exam comes in May 23, do you know about what are the two important parts about this new exam? See this. Firstly, 4 compulsory papers. Right now, how many compulsory papers are you having? ABM, BFM. Then you will be having ABM, BFM, ABFM, Advanced Business and this Financial Management. And last one, legal also. There's a big name for that legal, but we call it legal only. So 4 compulsory. Negative marking is there. Electives. Retail is not the elective from May 23. Okay. All the specializations, rural, IT, then risk management, treasury, then central banking. Okay. All these difficult ones. So why do you go for a difficult exam? Okay, clear it immediately in December. 20 days are almost there. Go for these offers and earn your marks and get returns immediately. Okay, so I'll stop over here. Tomorrow I'll be back again with the similar series. Okay, bye till then.